Hello everyone, welcome to Hula Juan. Ang reading na ito ay para sa sign of Gemini in July 2024. So, Gemini, unahin natin ang general forecast. Susundan to ng career and money. And then relationships or love life. But more of relationships ito, no? Doesn't have to be your jowa. And then yung advice. So, welcome po kayong lahat dito sa Hula Juan. Ang goal ng channel ito ay magbigay ng gabay using light from above with loving intentions para may positive energies ang lahat. So, let's start with your general forecast, Gemini. You have the Knight of Cups in reverse, you have the Page of Cups in reverse, the Judgment card, Seven of Cups, and then the Emperor. So when it comes to your general forecast or yung general mo, no, ng July mo, Knight of Cups in reverse. So this is telling me that maybe your emotion or maybe you're very emotional. Maybe there are things na parang pwede mo pang makita na pwede mo pang i-improve when it comes to your emotions, how you're expressing yourself. There may be things that make you feel quite emotional when it comes to anything kasi it's general so you may find yourself quite emotional, no? So let's see. In the past, alam mo, you have the Page of Cups in reverse, so this is quite a similar energy for me, and this is telling me na kayong mga na parang minsan may small things tapos parang nabubwisit na kayo kaagad, Gemini. I'm not sure what's happening, but this is what ito yung andito. So you have the Judgment card here in July. So ano ba to? Something is parang maybe you are feeling some kind of imbalance, or you're feeling some kind of parang hindi, ano bang nangyayari sa akin, bakit ako nagaganyan. There may be something that is telling you to change things, or maybe parang may mga bagay na parang calling you to change things. Parang ganun yung dating neto, no? Parang more of the universe is trying to kumbaga there are things that you want to be, that you can be better pagdating sa mga bagay na kinaiinisan mo. Does that make sense sa inyo? Parang yun yung sinasabi, yun yung ginagawa rito eh. You have the Seven of Cups in your ito yung advice mo, okay? Gemini, maybe there are things that you may be trying, maybe masyado kang nag-iilusyon. There may be things that you are trying to, or you may mga aspirations ka that maybe it's a little bit too much. So you have to remind yourself, ano ba yung mga yon? You have to see kung ano ba yung mga bagay na pwede mo pang, alam mo yun, try to ibalik mo yung sarili mo sa reality na ano ba yung pwede. Kasi minsan nasa-set mo yung sarili mo daw for pagkainis, frustrations, ganyan, is because may mga ginagawa ka or may mga masyado kang tina-target or may mga gusto kang mangyari, but it's a little bit masyadong malayo, ganyan. You have the Emperor as your potential outcome. The Emperor here is telling me that, alam mo, you will come out very strong naman pagdating sa July mo. You will come out strong. So you have this parang pinagdadaanan that you may be able to overcome, and kaya mo naman yan. And I see it na parang nalito ka lang ng konti pagdating dito sa mga nangyayaring sa buhay mo, no? It's just that minsan naguguluhan ka kasi masyado kang nag-go too far, okay? So let's move on. Let's move to your career or money. Okay, kung nakatulong sa inyo ang reading na ito, please subscribe, hit the like button. If you are on YouTube. Tapos, if you are on Facebook, like and follow. Huwag niyo po kalimutan na i-share ito sa mga kailangan ng reading. Malit na bagay lang po ito to support this channel. Para blessings lang ang umikot sa community natin. Alright? So, you have the Seven of Wands. This Seven of Wands is telling me na you are protecting yourself when it comes to your money and your career. So you are trying to, maybe minsan nagpapakalaylo ka lang ng konti. You're trying not to be too experimental. You're trying to be safe. You just want to be, sakto lang. Basta hindi ka masyadong kumbaga pag hindi ka masyadong nagsalita, ali wala masyadong mistakes, yung ganon. Less talk, less mistakes. Meron pa yung iba yung parang if you're not sure, hindi mo siya gagalawin. So there are things na nakikita ko sa inyo that you're very cautious when it comes to your career and money. You may also be hiding from other people. Okay? You have the King of Wands here in reverse. So this is telling me that in the past maybe you saw or you already experienced something that may not have been very, very happy for you. There are things that may make you feel insecure. Alright? So I think yun yung pinanggagalingan neto eh. So you have the Three of Swords in the middle. So for me, alam mo, the Three of Swords here is telling me na maybe there is a rejection, or maybe there's something that you may be trying to do but it did not work out. Maybe there's something that made you feel like there's no moving forward. It may feel like it's stagnant. All right, like parang kung ano yung gusto mong puntahan hindi mo magawa, kung ano yung gusto mong gawing project, parang sometimes parang hirap naman ito gawin. So there are things that make you feel that. Okay, so you have the Six of Swords as your advice card. What this is telling you is to somehow, alam mo, okay, yung iba sa inyo, you may have to find a new job. You may have to be very, you may have to pag-isipan kung kailangan mo na bang maghanap ng ibang trabaho, or maybe there are things that are making you feel like hindi na to tama kasi parang this is masyado nang akong nahihirapan, or there may be things that minor things din na parang baka hindi mo na kailangan pansinin yung mga bagay na hindi naman na nakakatulong for you when it comes to your trabaho. Okay? It can be mga katrabahong hindi naman, alam mo yun, nakakainis, ganyan, hindi masyadong happy kasama, ganyan. But hayaan mo na lang sila siguro if it's not too major for you, kung hindi siya masyadong nakakasagabal, just hayaan mo na lang sila. Kung hindi naman sila yung magiging kung hindi naman sila yung boss mo, no? But you may want, for many of you, baka nga kailangan mong lumipat ng trabaho. Ten of Wands in reverse. So this is telling me na parang this is telling me na parang hindi masyadong marami yung trabaho, or hindi masyadong stress. Ang weird nito kasi parang I can see na parang there are things na nangyayari sa'yo, but yun nga nanggagaling ka din naman kasi sa sitwasyon na parang you are hiding, you are trying to be very safe, no? So I think yun yung strategy na ginagawa mo din kasi. So somehow medyo relax yung pagdating mo sa work mo, or maybe yung iba sa inyo baka nga masyado nang hindi na inspired to work, or parang tinamad na talaga, no? Or parang mga ganyan, parang dahil hindi na kayo kumikilos, edi wala nang gagawin. Okay, so let's go to your relationships doesn't have to be your jowa. Okay, shuffle natin ng okay. Okay, so you have the Three of Discs. You have the Ace of Cups. You have the Princess of Cups in reverse. You have the Queen of Wands in reverse. And the Ace of Wands. So, three of this is telling me na when it comes to your relationships, I can see na parang you are enjoying yourself with your friends or with your family. This is a group of people. So this is you with other people. Yung iba sa inyo baka lang naman may mga nag-enjoy dyan ng ano mo yun, dalawang kasama mo or more, ganyan, if you know what I mean. So yun yung nakikita ko rito, no. So there no judgment when it comes to that, but it's just showing you na you're enjoying yourself with other people, no? So when it comes to your relationship, I see you na you are quite um, you are quite vocal about your feelings. You are quite vocal with how you are, what you want in your relationships. So very ano ka, kumbaga people see you as somebody who knows what you want. Okay, you have the Princess of Cups here, and this is telling me na somehow there is a potential for you to somehow lose your temper. There is a potential for you to somehow be not in the best um, emotion, and baka may nasasabi kang hindi masyadong maganda again. So there's just this potential there, no? You have the Queen of Wands in reverse as your advice card. Sometimes kasi you are very, very passionate and that you are trying to be, masyado kang madaming nasasabi minsan or masyado kang punong-puno ng emotion or ng passion. Para alam mo yun, you are very, it can be that you are very strong pagdating sa inyong mga gustong sabihin, ganyan. So, wind it down a little bit. Yun yung sinasabi sa inyo when it comes to your relationships. Huwag ka masyadong wag masyadong gigil, okay? So, relax. Ano mo lang, ibabaan mo yung temperatura, okay? The potential outcome for you, Gemini, is the Ace of Wands. The Ace of Wands is telling you that, you know, you can start something new without even, you can start something new, you can do something that is very fresh, very masaya, with just a little bit of excitement. Alam mo yun, kumbaga yung energy level mo, you can tone it down, pwede mong ibaba ng konti, and yun yung parang sakto for you when it comes to your relationships. So how will that happen? Parang may mga, siguro when things are relaxed, mas nagiging masaya yung company. Kung when you are very happy lang, chill ka lang, napaka sumasaya ang lahat. Or maybe it can also be something new that you are celebrating, or parang nagkakaroon ng bagong development or bagong nauumpisahan. Okay? So, anong advice sa'yo? Chill lang. Some of you may need to change jobs. Some of you may need to be in a new environment pagdating sa trabaho, or wag na masyadong pansinin yung mga nakaka-imbyerna. Okay? And also, look at kung ano yung mga bagay na tinitignan mo sa sarili mo or mga gusto mong mangyari na masyado ng OA yung layo, or hindi na siya makatotohanan. Ibaba mo ng konti yung yung expectations and yung mga goals. Ibaba mo ng konti yung mga gusto mong mangyari, okay? So, remember those advice cards and just tone it down, you know? Chill ka lang. Chill and relax. All right? Gemini, huwag masyadong mag-expect, huwag masyadong keep it simple. Yan ang forecast mo for this month. Subscribe on YouTube and follow Hula Juan on Facebook para every month may abangan kang forecast for your sign. Always remember na sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intention. See you sa next reading.